And Now Foundation, India's first non-profit organization exclusively promoting internet ethics and digital well-being.
What is phishing? Phishing is a type of social engineering crime where criminals impersonate legitimate organizations via phone, email, text messages, and online advertisement or other means in order to steal sensitive information. According to 2018-19 report published by police authorities, that phishing is 95% of all successful cybercrime attacks in India. How does phishing takes place? Unprotected web links can lead to unfamiliar sites. There is an attachment you weren't expecting. You may notice poor spelling and grammatical mistakes throughout. It may ask for personal information such as address, date of birth, passwords, bank information. The sender may not address you by your name. How to stay protected? Don't click on short links. Use an antivirus and firewall software. Check the complete URL and email header before you submit any form or reply in email. Be careful of downloading any attachments or files from emails. Call the person to verify the request of information. If you face any cybercrime issue, then report to National Cybercrime Reporting Portal www.cybercrime.gov.in or call immediately to 155260. Don't fall for phishing frauds. Be safe and be alert.